Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special guest.
Me.
And we're going to be working on a project. Rug tufting.
Pikachu.
Yeah, okay. So, for your room.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to experiment with this.
Need to show them the...
We have our frame all set up and ready to go. So we're going to transfer a Pikachu picture with this onto there, hopefully. And then we'll see how we go. I'm a little bit scared. Right, ready?
Yep. How do we even operate it to make it go?
That's a
That's probably the thing.
good question, Arch.
Wait, you just press that.
Okay. Why is it cutting?
I don't know. What the...
1 hour later.
Yep.
It's working, but it's bloody hard.
Ooh.
Show us. Ooh!
We did it!
Right, do you want to have a try?
Yes.
It's scary. I'll hold it. And then press the button. You gotta move it. Keep moving it, see? Constantly move it.
Ooh. Oh, Pikachu.
Okay, I'm scared.
Do it.
I'm scared! Ready? Steady?
Go. Is that actually gonna work?
It's not on. Hi. I'm just going to do a little recap on what's happening right now. I'm feeling like this intense murderous rage towards the tufting gun. It's irrational, but it's giving me the shits because it keeps getting caught and then dropping itself. And yeah, this is going to be the wildest looking Pikachu that has ever existed, but that's okay. I think we continue on. How'd that go?
Good. Let me cut it.
There we go, that's a good one.
Yeah.